Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another quick video on ticker symbol Nnox, and you can see that the stock was up 68% during the day, even after hour up another 1.5%. And this is not like the other stock, like I previously made videos on the low float stock which moved like 1000%, then it came down 40-50,000%. So anyway, this is like a more stable stock, so I thought, okay, what about making another video which is looking good, which gave us nice return to us, which might run again tomorrow. That's why I'm making this particular video. At the same time, I always watch the sentiment and everything. If I go to the stock weight, you can see that the sentiment is core, everything is up, right? The stock was up, it is up. And also, like, when I see in terms of the ranking, in terms of the watcher, many people are watching this particular stock. So anyway, let's talk about the stock. And yeah, we played this particular stock today. Like, you can see that our suggested entry was 8.55 and it went all the way to 11.55, which means 35% move. Not only that, we also got some big movers, SNTG, QH. You can see all the big percentage gain. So anyway, I'm going to talk about the stock, how we played it, how it is looking like, and how it will move. And then, yeah, let me know your thoughts again. Again, you can see that 9:16 a.m. in the morning, my trade idea was posted on my Discord, which is my day trading community. I give alert. So Nnox, the price was 9.2 and our entry was around 8.55, and we had some price target around 11.9. I'm so happy it went almost 11.5, holding from 8.55. And by the way, if you want to join my private community, just go to the link. Is here, patreon.com/the stock analyst. Go there, sign up for $15 or $20 package, then you can get access to my Discord. Okay, let's make it fast. So first of all, Nnox, you can see the huge move today with a volume around like 20-30 million, let's say 29 million volume, right? So volume was good today, not that bad. But if you look at the float, like the other stock, the float is really heavy, 47 million float. In my other videos recently, you can see the float was below 1 million. So they go up a lot, they come down a lot, but this one is more stable. The price target is 31.5. Also, the volume was around 10 million. You can see that the stock was trading around $15, $17 before, and today actually it gapped up. So I'm going to talk about the stock first of all, and let's go and see how that thing actually moved today. So how I'm going to start? Okay, let's start from here, right? So Nnox, so at 9:31, when the price was around $9, you can see that then the first time I was spotting, okay, it might push from here. Then yeah, it pushed a couple of times. So let's go to the chart quickly and see how we played. So when the market opened, like that was the support area, right? So I was saying, okay, it might push. So it came to 8.55 exactly as I said, and it was moving like 10% move, 8.5 to 9.5. Then finally the blue line here, it became the support and it moved all the way to 11.55. Came down, holding the blue line. Again, a move to $11. Looking good. So far, looking good. So if you see a trend, many people like this kind of trend, it is still on an uptrend. It's not like a pump and up. Yeah, GDC, just want to show you. This is the one we spotted around $4, and that crazy thing went to $42. Now came back to 18. I made another video on this. If you want, just go and check that, when to enter. So let's come back to Nnox. So this thing is looking good. Still it is holding. Now if I zoom out and go back to a 1 hour chart, you can see that it was a huge pump from $6. It went all the way to 11.9. It might come down, who knows, but we have to keep an eye on this particular one because this is not a stock like a pump and dump. So if you look at the other area of support or resistance, 10.5, it might come back to 10.5. We will keep an eye, okay? But if I go on that side, it still has some room, right? It still has some room. It is still holding. It is still holding, right? So let's talk about 14.5, 13 and 16.17. I do not want to just go to the moon, these kind of things. So let's see, we are here, right? So you can pause and you can just take a screenshot of the resistance level. So I'm coming back to reality on the 3-minute chart. So first of all, we have to break this 10.46. Why 10.46? I drew that line using 1 hour chart, and still I can see 10.46 is acting like a resistance. So it has to break 10.46, then it will push towards 11 and 11.9. So that can be one play. If it breaks the trend, it comes down, look for an entry around 9 and 8.55. Why it moved that high? You can see that from $6 it did really some good push, and it was still on an uptrend. It did really good. It did really good. You can use some view up. Normally I use view up. Let me get rid of this band, make it nice and easy. Okay, so the blue line is the view up. It was holding view up whole day. So once the market will open tomorrow, you always see the view up because it really helps to see the momentum. You can also use the EMA indicators, because that was the place like around $9 the price went over the view up and the EMA clouds were turning bullish, the RSI was rising. That was the perfect entry for trade. So once you know how to use the indicators, you know support your resistance, you can make money, trust me, without just blindly just getting in and out. You will lose money for sure. So anyway, we will have this on our pre-market watch list tomorrow for sure. At the same time, we will have other stock, and again, like, look at the big names here, the amount of money we made, like all the big percent moves. See the things for stock, even for the option, right? We made a ton today, we made a ton yesterday. So the low float stock, actually they are giving a very good return. And if you want to join our community, again, up to you, 15-20 bucks, go to the link here, sign up, get access to Discord, and pre-market you will get all the chart, all the pre-market runners, your trade ideas, when to get in, get out, stock option, so many different things. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this particular stock. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.